Hey guys, welcome back to CaribbeanStitchHub. I am Hannah Walcott and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a month since I've last posted on my YouTube channel. It's been a while. It's been a while, and I wanted to give you my family, my community a quick life update, where I've been, what I've been up to. As you can see by the title, we need to talk. So definitely this is what this video is going to be about. I just want to say that I have been, you already know that I attend university. I attend the University of the Southern Caribbean, and the semester has begun. We just, in fact, came out of the mid-semester break, so I've gotten time to really sit down and do my content creation and everything. But nevertheless, I have not forgotten you guys. I remember the last time I posted on my channel a poll which asked me, guys, what type of videos y'all would like to see me make, what type of tutorials y'all would like to see me make, and the majority of you guys said that you wanted to see me create a men's sheet tutorial. That tutorial is still in the works, so as soon as I'm finished with it, I will upload it. In the meantime, however, to keep the channel engaged and to keep the content flowing, to keep you guys learning something new, I'll be posting shorter type videos. I'm also actually thinking about doing more vlogs and behind the scenes, day-to-day type content. So if it is something that you guys would like to see me do, y'all can let me know in the comment section by typing yes, so you guys can get to see what I do behind the scenes, because there's a lot I do behind the scenes that I think that you guys would like to see. If that's something that's really interesting, then you can let me know. I also like to say that I appreciate all my 55 subscribers. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys keep me going. You guys keep me motivated to continue to take this seriously and to do more content. So I definitely appreciate each and every one of you guys. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are able to understand and what I have been missing in action 3 months, but have no fear, I'm back like if I never left, and I will definitely be posting more content. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.